Hi there, my name is Junaid Ahmed Fazli. I'm recording this video for the second exercise of our System Software and Compiler Lab. The exercise is to create a symbol table. A symbol table is a very important data structure which is created by every compiler and that is used to refer for all the variables, their data types, their values and other entities. Can be used also for functions to know how many parameters they have and what are the type of the parameters that they have. So to generating a symbol table, I'm using CPP file. I have named it test.cpp. So I'm using this file to create the symbol table, and this is the program that I have written, that I will be using the test.cpp file in here and generating a symbol table for that program. And the output will be in the format of the data type will be displayed, then what's the identifier name, initial value, if it's a function, how many parameters does it have, and what are the type of parameters does it have. So I'll go on and I'll execute it. So here is the program that I'm using, and the program ends here, and this is the symbol table that is generated. So considering the identifier as main, its data type is integer. It's a function, and here integer will be the return type, but still it's considered data type for the symbol table. For identifier A, it's integer. For B also, it's integer. For B, I have given a initial value which is 5, so it's printed here in the table. For character, initial value is printed as A, which I have given here. Double, a db variable is created, so identifier db and data type double is printed. For fun is a function that I have created. So the name identifier name comes as fun. Sorry, data type comes as double. Now, initial value will not be there for a function, but number of parameters will be there. Similarly, for main, we don't have any parameters, so number of parameters comes as 0. Then for fun, number of parameters comes as 2, and parameter type comes as int and double, the two parameters that I have given here. Now int and double, these are also two variables that are created and has data types but doesn't have an initial value, so they are also displayed here. Now in the program, what I have basically done is I have taken this program and divided it into multiple string values. I have declared a string array here. Okay. Here w. So what I am doing is, in this w I am putting array elements as whatever words that I get from the input program, store it into multiple indices, and then I will be comparing those indices with the key string array that I have created here. If it matches, then only the output will be generated. And after that, I'm comparing what's the value, what's the identifier name, and if the identifier has an initial value, then it will be having an equal to symbol right after that. So after equal to symbol, whatever value comes, that is going to be the initial value for that identifier. So that also is printed, and for a function, instead of equal to, we will be having parenthesis, open and closed. If the parenthesis opens and closes right away, then the output is displayed as 0, but if it is not closed right away, then I check what are the type of parameters, doing the same thing, comparing the value of w with a specific index, comparing it with the values in the key string array. If it matches, the output is generated, otherwise nothing happens. And then what are the how many number of parameters it has, what are the identifiers for the parameters, and what are the data types. So here it's displayed for like double, fun, number of parameters, to parameter type, and still it's separated. But the same thing that I've done in the main that I just said. parameter opens, parenthesis opens and closes right away. So number of parameters comes as 0 over here. So this is the program that I have created, and it's working fine with the input that I have given. And I hope whatever I have done is clear to you. Thank you.